Hey, I'm Ryan from the Burnout Show, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace your engine air filter on a 2008 Ford Explorer. So this is a very easy process, but I'm gonna take you through it step by step really quick just to show you how to do this. So first thing is that the air filter is going to be right here at the front right part of the engine compartment. There's gonna be a black box and there's gonna be two clips on the inside of that black box that you're gonna have to take off. So right here you can see these two clamps you need to pull off. Basically what you do is you just go underneath, grab it from the bottom and lift up, and then it'll just pop right off. Once you get those clips off, there's gonna be two tabs at the outside edge of the black box. And so basically you have to lift up and push the box towards the center of the car to release the tabs from the slots that they're being held down by. Then from here, you'll just want to grab your old air filter and take it out. There's nothing to it. It's not clamped in or anything like that. You just have to pick it up. Now from here, we can throw out our old air filter and grab our new air filter. However, in my case, there's actually an old mouse nest under the air filter. All right, so now I gotta actually clean this thing out. Luckily, it's not too big. But, yeah, we just got a little bit of a mouse nest here. It's a bunch of junk. I'm just gonna do that. That should work. Now that I'm done cleaning that out, I am just gonna take this old filter and get rid of it. Now we can grab our new filter and get ready to put that in the car. Oh yeah, that's floppy. We like them to be floppy. One thing you do want to make sure is that you put the flat end on top. So the part that has this metal grating and the rubber edge around it, that goes up, and the open filter side that's got all the paper flaps, that goes facing down. So that's really all there is to it. You just want to make sure you get that down in there like that. Now from here, we simply just have to put the cover back on over it. So now you just want to line up those three tabs and push it into the slot. And this might be a little bit tricky if your new air filter is a little bit taller than your old one. I think what's happening for me is that the rubber piece around the edge is a little bit taller, so the box is getting stuck on it. So basically you just want to push that down and really hammer it in there until those tabs are lined up. Then from there, we just got to take those clips that we had on before, pick them up and clamp them back on. And now we're all set. Our new air filter's installed and we are ready to go. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and definitely subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what other repairs you wanna see for your Ford Explorer, and we can try to make a video about that. And that's gonna do it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.